I'll carry the children follow body.
Okay.
I'll go meet lawyer, make the note down. Now I'll go.
I want to know what you draw our attention.
Go carry lawyer
to this particular
woman.
No
come on for the house.
You know, lawyer no for one day.
No be you want tell me, okay?
That's why.
Please share the video, please. Power time.
Yeah, no be you want tell me that one, okay? Since you say you know what, go look for house, you know what, come on.
I go kill your mama, kill your brother for being. I go buy them, my children.
Yeah, no problem.
Yeah.
They no born you well.
I hear, thank you.
You.
I hear.
Like say you don't know.
Made that time.
Look at they record you.
Made that time.
I make I see they talk mouth they put.
Made
they
that
don't
time.
born you well.
Made that time.
My children.
Made that time. You they record me.
Yeah,
what?
Where you think say your people there for Benin they hide?
Why they record
I go
me?
buy your mama. It don't take me 2 days.
Yeah,
anything where want it don't take 2 days.
So, apart from this thing when you hear so say, I will buy your mama, buy your people for Benin. It not end there. We get a lot of evidence. Stars, good afternoon, my welcome. We get a lot of evidence where this man threatened the woman, say he come from Jetu, he will make the woman curse. Okay? That's not the problem. I can tell you categorically that this woman is the problem. Okay? This same woman, she's her problem, not the man. The man is not the problem. Are you shocked? Are you surprised? You're not surprised, right? Now this woman, now be the problem, not be the man. Forget about the threatening. Now the woman be the problem. This woman, so she's the problem. If she lose her children tomorrow, I not promise she lose her children tomorrow. Now she's saying be the problem. Not be the guy be the problem. Yes, because we don't come understand something like we don't come understand something like this. Say, okay, now if this woman, okay, can you just go out and come in, Mommy Share? Can you just go out and come in again? Because she's not hearing us. I don't know why. I don't know why. But are you hearing me now, everybody? Are you hearing me? When they hear me? When they hear me? They hear me now? Okay. Let me say, go out and come again. Now this woman be the problem. You know, I tell you, she be the problem. We understand, say the man threatening now, right? Now, when you as a woman don't know what you want for life, okay? We won't be the men who will follow you like that. She don't know what she wants. She's the problem. No matter what she's passing through now she be the problem. She be her own self problem. You understand? Now she be her own self problem. Now she get her. You understand? How do you expect me to be wasting time for this kind of person? I don't have that time now. It's not easy. You understand? You will never understand. This same woman, after a lot of things, what would they do? Not even what you see for media. Okay? Outside the media. Even you still get team outside the media when they talk to this woman. Okay? This same woman still come out this afternoon or in the morning, between morning and afternoon. She still come out, go another platform. We never one day carry this woman climb this platform one day. Can I climb here? Okay? Everything about this woman, now me they memorize her for my brain. Can they tell you now? So that more will keep her privacy. Maybe people don't know the actual person, right? But this same woman come out, go climb another platform today. The same issue. What would they iron on behalf of everybody? The same woman come out, carry the matter, see go another platform. Think about this. We are not stupid. We don't come and complain now. You understand? We don't come and complain. The same matter. Now then you will see different opinion, nonsense opinion, useless opinion. People won't even know about Germany. They start advising her, start telling her this, start telling her that. Somebody when don't go, when the matter don't reach almost court. When it almost reach almost court. I don't even know about the case of this woman. We don't even know how police stay involved. Which kind of advice you want to give this kind of woman? Eh? Which kind of advice I want give this kind of woman when you don't even know how the case they come, how the matter they come, where the matter for they come, what it transpire, the stage of the matter till today, how the matter want to enter court. You don't know anything. Okay? Then this same woman, how she got to believe say the platform when she go today now, they will help her more than what would they do for here. Sister Ceci, I greet you. Good evening, man. Welcome. How she got to believe? Say what would they do for here? And what you can't even pay me pass? These same people, would they keep their issue? Would they have their profile for all these bad people? Okay? But these same people, they will go on that platform because they don't have the chance to hide. Okay? Because those one want me, they can't show themselves. Because if you don't show yourself, nobody get the time to go carry your matter, put for here, because they talk about social media. Because they crack their brain the way they do it for here. Those okay, come here, you can't talk about yourself. Go talk about yourself. Now some people call the screenshot that for me, screen record that for me. Come see this woman, oh. And for God so kind, now people will be say they be back. May I call them backstage of the platform where you know about this woman issue. If now for never know, even Star Precious was there, she never know anything about it. You understand? Star Precious was there, you never know this woman again. You understand? She was there at that platform today, but she never know about this woman because she not there outside the team. When they settle issue outside the team, outside the social media space, that means she don't observe her. But the screenshot when I see Precious for there. If no, I know see Precious for that. I say, this woman, why now you where they carry a matter for her from another place? Why you carry and come here again? What all this one why I will tell you now? You know? So just think about this thing. We understand this will not be say angry or not angry. Because why? We don't get time to the waste. You understand? We don't get that time to the waste. That make that is there 2 days now. We decide say, okay, now both my team we decide say, okay, now how would they do them? But Austin, they come social media the time when they convenience for you. Don't please anybody. Use until they please yourself. Okay, now as I did and I they go work, I don't sleep, wake up. I come now and say, okay, this time I get time. I feel come, do 1 or 2 things, go back to work. Tomorrow I'm free. You understand? So they more better than I will come for work, crack brain. Then you know it doesn't make any sense. Do you know the meaning of that? It doesn't make any sense. I have a lot of record when people they send for me since. So what did they wear this woman? What did they talk for here? Okay, what is the problem? Now you carry issue. Come. This man they fight you with knife for your children present. They beat you. You understand? Now you cry, can't give me. Okay, I look the matter. I say no, you don't sweet me like that. But we see why the man will change. Now so I give a stop to the woman. But we see whether it will change. The man not change. There was even a time when the woman tell me say the man want throw shoe go meet him. He want throw shoe go meet him. He take hit him. The shoe come hit their Pikin for hand for here. And very hot because they cry. Now that one here, because of this violence, he don't enter another stage. You understand? He don't enter another stage. So now, look at how we are going to do it for peace to reign. When I listen to one up on WhatsApp now, look at how we are going to do it for peace to reign. It did better. Made the man go look for house. Now make the that discussion just when I play. When tell the man say, okay, you go look for house. Okay? You go look for house. Thank you, Stameme. I see you. God bless. You go look for house. Or I come up with the children. When the man threaten that threaten us now. Okay? We know the man is a toxic man. So, the man don't expect say the woman will carry police. Got this throw her away for 10 days. Like I told you people before, here in Germany, police don't need court permission to throw anybody out of the house for 10 days. It is their law. Police have the right to do that. outside court. But after that 10 days, police don't have right to continue that motion, okay? So then they have to tell you, okay, go and give a lawyer. Lawyer have the right to ask court to stop that same person out of your house, okay? Now, look the situation now. After this same person now go meet lawyer. Lawyer tell us, okay, see. Start, thank you, God bless you. Lawyer tell us, see. The same woman, they cry and say, the same woman now, if they cry, say, why lawyer would they do like this? This one be waiting, I tell lawyer now. Why lawyer would they do like this? I don't want her like this. See how I take one time. See, just sit down. Think about this thing yourself. I don't want her like this. Say, see, I take one time. Lawyer, not do not talk well. See, I take one time. I don't want her like this. You born one for man, he don't marry you. You born second one, he don't marry you. You born third one, he don't marry you. You never know the family. You understand? This same person, he use knife till they beat you. He use knife, not till they beat you up and down. Knife. Not till they beat you for Germany here. For Germany here. So now he go meet lawyer now. Lawyer tell him say, see how it's going to be, because now this one when police take restrain her out of your house for 10 days. So we don't want after that 10 days make the man go back to that house for the safety of those children. Those people she went to today will not tell her the truth. You understand? Will not tell her the truth until she lose her children. I want to play one record for her. Now before I go to work. You understand? Any home whether they threaten to your children, okay? Because government is the owner of those children, you are just a caretaker. Government have every right to take those children away from you. You understand? To take those children away from you. Tell me what did they cry about? You understand? I was so ashamed of myself today. I said, what did this woman really want? What did she want? When she did the platform, they talk the same issue. When would they iron, they come? Now maybe love me to say, what not they learn? Now today I believe love me. Oh. Today I believe love me. Today I believe him. Then they love me to say, why this woman not they learn? After they carry something to finish for here, they'll go on that platform, they'll go here on that thing, and are true. And today I believe. Say I get the record here. And today I believe. Say not true. Not true. Because they were just like trying to make the thing ga to this woman. At the end of the day, things will fall on this woman and she will regret it. She will regret it. That is the truth. So me, I don't get time to wait for this kind of people. You know, this set of people. It's crazy. So in case you don't see me on social media, don't take anything. I just want to rest. I just want to rest. So that make we decide, say, will they come on social media when it they convenience for us? That's what they do. You understand? Because some people when we say, will they try help? They don't want help themselves. You understand? They don't want help themselves. You understand? They don't want help themselves. Okay, now you did the abuse. Right? Now you did the abuse. Government don't trip in now. They want to help you. Right? For your safety and for the safety of those children. You they tell government say you don't need that like that. See how you take it down. I'm confused. I don't need that like that. Say I take it down. This how I need it. I don't need it this way. Why lawyer will they talk like this? Why lawyer will they talk like this? Why lawyer will say for now if Papa don't go to school to see those children? I don't understand. I understand. Please power tap. We still get time. We close this program by 5. Do you understand? So these same people, If I tell you they don't know what they want, you will not believe me. These same women, some of these same women, they are the problem. They are the problem of their self. Now they be the problem to their self. Because to start with, you will not even feel make decision now. Okay? You will not feel make decision now. How you want to get that decision skills for inside marriage or for inside relationship? You cannot. You understand? You want to tell the government how to act. God bless Sister Scientist Mimi. Some of them, they don't need our time. We are just like, I'm just stressing myself. I have to tell you the truth. You understand? This woman will deal with me in the midnight, in the evening, in the morning, in the afternoon, the daybreak, 12 o'clock in the night, 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, just to make sure she's happy with ideas, different ideas. Last 3 days, I think it was last 3 days. No, the day before yesterday night. When I put maybe this one an emergency call. When I wait. So this same person, I was okay. Make I brought in women to her. 1, 2, 3. Not just ordinary women. Women where you know what it did. Now I can't give her to this woman. May talk to this woman. At least make she know what she want first. Before any other thing. You understand? They can't preach to this woman. They can't preach. They can't tell her a lot of things. Ask me, what did this same woman want again? What we never do? Like what? What did she want? What we never do? Probably the way I'm thinking right now, not be any other thing she they miss. She's going to miss the bola. Person want to miss bola. That mean what they waste time for? Huh? That mean what they waste time for? Person when they miss bola. When they want to judge say, I don't do like this. Now bola be the problem. A lot of women cannot stay. That is the truth. Let us just be honest. Let us be honest to ourselves. You understand? A lot of women cannot stay. A lot of them, but not all. A lot cannot stay. Bola syndrome. Bola syndrome is the problem. You understand? Then you cry to the world. You cry to the world. Cry even enter police. From police now to lawyer. From lawyer to judge now. No, I don't want her like this, so I don't want her like this. I said, what do you even want? What do you want? What do you want now? No, not be so the way the lawyer talk am. I don't want her like this. Huh? For somebody will say, want buy you, buy your mama, buy your parents, take your children away from you. See that thing, don't worry. Tomorrow I'll show you something. Tomorrow I dey free. See, if anybody threaten you, say you want to carry your children rock come out, and you can't say now ordinary threat that it be, you are on your own. You are on your own. Because it don't happen before. Many people they do them. They know say German no they allow the way Italy they allow. Sometimes Italy children they will go to Nigeria. Their mama and papa will they here. German don't allow it. German don't take it. They don't take that bullshit. You understand? They are going to hang your neck for it. Probably people they do this thing because they don't say the only thing we want to bring them together. Okay? Now for the man to call a pay for those children. So they'll carry those children now carry the go put for Nigeria. This same man don't threaten this woman like that. You understand? Don't threaten and reach that stage. Say we'll collect those children, we will drop it for Nigeria. The same woman and then they cry up and down and say, no, this is not how I need it. I don't want it like that. The lawyer want to go far. Huh? Okay, now. When I say remember, I say may they bring out this for now, in case they new. When I say remember, one of our member, when they marry Ole Gbo, when they marry Ole Kakai, one for our sister for here, when they marry Ole Kakai, Ole Morocco. Now so that my first take crack combo. It's beating me, oh. It's beating me, oh. It's beating me, oh. It's beating me, oh. Yes. Hey, it's beating you early morning like this. Why? Because he said I give my money to buy Igbo. Because I not give my money to buy Igbo. Now they beat me, oh. Now they beat me, oh. What you call my man in the first place? One, you are a single mother. You don't live together with this man. No man have the right to even beat you in the first place. Not of a man when he come from outside, from another city, because he want money from you, you not give her, he can't beat you. So I look that thing like not normal. You know? What comes to my mind, I say, this woman so much believe in me. She so much believe in me. So much believe in me. I said, no. If I don't act, it will show that I'm not a man. Okay? So I have to contact. Okay, I have to contact the German, the Berlin Federal Police. The Berlin Federal Police. When I call the Federal Police, many of them know this issue for the sake of the new people that they talk about. When I call the Federal Police, they ask me, okay, where's the address? Even if you don't know the name, where is the address? German don't play with threats. When it comes to threats, they don't play with it. Where's the address? Since you don't know the name, because the name which they bear for here, not which they bear for documents. Then I can't end the call. I can't call again. My man can tell me, say, okay, now go check one thing like that, one thing like that. You will see her address for there. Necessarily go check because say okay, her address did there. Because we don't fair do something together. So go see her address for there. Then I can give police. So police take for Berlin here. Come raid the city when she did. Come raid the city. At the raid the city, then because why I call the police? Because after that incident, during that incident, as the man hear my voice, okay, the man can collect the phone, he can disconnect the internet. So I call this woman now, he not call they go again. So I make call the fear say, okay, that means the life of this woman is not safe. Okay, it's not safe. You understand? As a man. So the life of this woman is not safe. So let me quickly inform the police. It's my job. So that's why I tell you for police. Then Berlin now can raid the city with immediate effect. Don't carry 4 vehicles. Now they carry go there. Because it's a threat to life. 4 vehicles. We go and rescue the woman. Who know whether the woman carry the man enter on that bed? Me no know.
This comes next.
Where can I enter on that bed though? When police come? I don't know. Police ask and say, what is his date of birth? He say, no remember again. What is his name? He not remember again. Eh? Somebody from Berlin now he contact us. He say yes, now his brother. Okay, you don't know person when they abuse you, when they beat you, you don't know his name. He say no. That's okay. What will happen? Bring your children birth certificate. Not birth certificate. This is Zogeresh. You see, police are very intelligent. That father shout on do when he show say now this man be the father of these children. Police can't demand that from this woman. They are not stupid. Police can't demand that. Bring that thing. That's Zogeresh and father shout. Now there they come fit pick this guy name. See the woman no want tell police. Police come pick the name for inside that this thing wey show say na the man be the father of those children. They come pick the name. He go tell me say, I can't quickly had my children. And one of my children for inside, he go for talk the truth. He go for tell them the truth. He go for tell them the truth. I can't quickly hide that one because that one talk too much. I can't quickly hide that one. But that one not tell police. Here, look as I see this one. After 2 hours, two man call the verse for me. Oh, you know they call here again. Call that way apple. He called the verse for me. Yeah, he called the verse for me. Oh, he say the level when I go was too far. So he not send me that one. He said the level when I go was too far. So now 4 police that I come with motor, 4 police motor that I come. So the level was too far. I for not go to that kind extent. Now you cry for me. Then you want to tell me I want to act, how I want to react. You see? So I tell now, a lot of things we will not forget. Okay? That one comes a day like that. Now, more leave Germany now. More go to France. More go to France. I did my ass here. I want to tell now why we decide. Our decision will tell now. So why we decide like that? Mommy Joe, I greet you. Good afternoon. Before we do our normal show small before I go work. Now, more go France. More go France now. I want your attention go back again. May I tell you, I say, some of these women, now they be the problem. Underline, some of these women, they are the problem of their self. Nobody say that maths. They are the problem of their self. Some of these women are the problem to their self. Now we'll enter France. How many of you remember Mama Twins? Miracle, I greet you. Sorry, I never reply your message. Sorry, sister, okay? I will reply you later of the day. Good afternoon. How many of you remember Mama Twins of France? She would watch me now, they cry and I say, I want to talk about her. How many of you remember Mama Twins for France? Mama Twins. Mama Twins' husband. Okay? Mama Twins' husband a soldier for France. Okay? Mama Twins' husband na soldier. Now he be for France. But our brother, now he be. But he did soldier. He do soldier for France. So that guy come to say, nobody will feel do anything to her. Now we look and we laugh. If I humiliate my wife, nobody feel see all those things. Nobody can do this because I'm a soldier. You know those things. Now when you be soldier, now it go more dangerous for a pass. You know no sense, past sense. Now see what he do this woman. He can't beat this woman. As he beat this woman finish, he can't give her injuries. Okay? As he give her injuries, Shosha want to say this one, that one. Now, most of them are not good. Not be Shosha not good. Now most of them are not good. Not be Shosha. Shosha better pass most of them. Now the kind of people go give them. When they want help now, una call they run. Now they collect una children. Most of them. Shosha can't help this woman. Okay? As Shosha help this woman, they can't sue the man to court. More at least, you know, they can't sue the man to court. And they sue the man to court. If you see one of her eye till today, na everlasting mark. That eye, when judge see that eye, now they can't really deal with the man. Okay? The man can't win the case. Now, the only solution to this issue, make this woman leave that city. They go transplant this woman, give another Shosha from that city for France. Now, this woman, things gonna go down. The man will carry phone. You know I love my children. You know I love my kids. All these people they speak English, eh? A lot of them run for them. When they speak English. Any small thing they speak English. If they speak pidgin, you for understand. If they speak your language, you for understand. But why the English? Why the English? If they speak pidgin, you will understand. If they speak local language, you will understand because they come from the same place. All those when they speak English, come from your village. They are very dangerous. A lot of them, if not all, a lot, majority. And it's not the one they form English. You know I love my kids. I love my children. Please. I know I've wronged you. I have wronged you. You know I love you. You know I do this. You know I do that. You know you couldn't form 1 year English. You would see me being now Oxford University that they put for their head. Just to twist your brain. Just to brainwash you. Just to twist you. Okay? The man can't twist the woman. Come on for social. Come on for social hand. Come back to himself. When he come back to himself, more listen, I tell you that woman, that woman don't know herself. When he come back to this man, this man goes, okay, now we don't come back again. I will not beat you again. I will not molest you again. I will not abuse you again. I love you. Okay? Please, can you go to court? Go and tell the court that what you told them all was lies. Because he's a military man, he don't get that stain for body. Okay? He don't get that stain for body. Una why not they understand what they have for Europe? When they say they collect my children. They collect my children. They collect my children. Please, sometimes when they collect people children, no they give attention to it. Okay? 85% of these women, they are not innocent. May I tell you now, guess I don't know. 85% of women they collect their children. Now me they tell you that they collect their children. They are not innocent. Now only 15 be innocent. 85 are not innocent. May I tell you? Today, after me I just come, may I talk my mind. This woman, the man come brainwash her with English. He not go school. As you're here, went. As you're here, went. What say maybe now one can big English like that? Can you not go school? When who not go school, they see they speak your English. It will say that good English they speak. You see, when we not go school, they see who they speak English. It will say now one kind good English. Now they speak. Guess what? This woman can carry her 2 legs. And they tell you, in case you don't know why would they do this thing today now, let me tell you when you need console. People when they know these things. What carry her 2 legs? Go court by herself. Go to court say, my lords, my lord, as you see this thing so, my lord, the court says, where your lawyer? I say, I don't get lawyer. I want to do myself. With which case? Case one don't fair judge pass now. When they carry my husband come here, my lord. Judge goes, okay, make her listen. My lord, as you can see, all those things I tell you at that time, now lie. Now lie. No be true. More power tap, so they listen. No be true. All what I tell you at that time concerning this man, all na lie. All not be true. My lord. There was why do you let that can lie? He said because I can't depress. I depress. I make her. Because I depress. Then make I can't tell you that thing like that. Just can't emphasize on the face, on the eyeball when that man injured. He said no. Me when he fall, I fall. Now for I fall now. You fall. Now you hit your eye. He said yes. No being hit me. You don't hit me for anything. Now for I fall. I say I dey tell now how we tell no mama twins. Now I tell now so how we tell no mama twins. In after you fall, he said yes. I've not been the man doing. I know they beat me. Because the man don't brainwash her. They know they beat me. I'm a very good man. I'm France military. They say we're not military man. I know they beat you. You say no. Come go and make it sign. Come sign. It's okay. Go. The day when they reach us, The day when they reach us. The next day, ekbiam. Now me, see now, you know why I do that to you? I do it to you because if you carry me go anywhere for this world, nobody will believe you again. Nobody will believe you again. Now make I do that when I do you so. I do you that thing so that anywhere you carry me to, because you know your thing they talk for inside court just now. Anywhere you carry me to now, nobody will believe you. You don't finish. Now what I need from you, drop those children and get the hell of my house. Now from there now, he not cause see what he want to do again. When the man they humiliated, they beat her, the man can't give. I get all her record though, all her this I get them. Will they keep a lot of evidence that tomorrow they'll say nobody they tell us. Then the woman now, the man can't give her ultimatum. He said today, and they come from my as in no say barrack. Okay, I put it like that. Today they come from my barrack. Make sure say as they come from my barrack, not only my children that I can't see for inside that house. If I see you for inside that house, you all don't finish. You all don't finish. I want to tell you now why most of these women need to be ashamed of themselves. Why they need to be ashamed of themselves? Most of them. Then he got to say, make sure that my children now come meet for inside that house. Now those got to call me come. As he call me, narrate all this what I talk for. Now she narrate for me. Oh. Now she narrate for me. I can't feel for her. I can't feel for her. I say, okay, she don't make mistake. Should I leave her like that? The answer is no. Next day, remember one woman so for France. I said she don't carry her one head go one side. That one not a problem. But I still love her. You understand? I can't call this woman. I can't say her. See, so woman like this. So how want do one? After see, I not to know about France like that. I did because okay. Now when the man a military man, we not feel move the woman like that out of that city. Let's say like that woman to today. That's why I say she can't do like say tradition will not clear. You understand? That's why I do my thing. When I just say I not offend you, you want a fumble, I will just offer you leave for one place. So, because what you will do, since nine, the man a military man, make we do it in a legal way. Make we now ask us what it concern us in the first place. Because of that sympathy, when person like me gets. So anybody wants to say if they come close to me, you will know that same person gets sympathy when I get. You understand? Because we will do it in a legal way. Make we inform the authority for that city. Say this woman, see where they go. Okay? We go tell her say, what do they call her for France? So potty plant. I don't potty plant, don't forget. Now this woman make me know this thing so. Because may go take potty plant. If who dey France will correct me. May go take potty plant for police station. Okay, another one see they will see this stronger than potty plant. May go take her. May police they are aware say these children and this woman they leave this city right now. See where they go. As he still reach this our sister city, because he go police station, go tell police say this woman did this city. Because it's a military man, we have to do everything legal. My man, we have done a lot of things, man. We have to do everything legal. So I know you know be say we do everything illegal. You understand? We got to do one like that. When the man come, the man come shock, say, man have not get this kind IQ. Maybe na people 9 day in between. Okay? But this person will do all these things. As you come there, if I stay to our sister house, for God may give her a place, make they stay. Okay? All the when they fight for women for France, they can't give her a place, make sure they stay. Well, listen, no. I will call this woman if I sleep. It get the way my body they tell me. My body will tell me something. More than ask our sister when come us when they with us before. Okay? More than ask her. What I know they tell her say, my body tell me say this woman will go back to this man. I know why my body they tell me all these things. My body they tell me, but I don't know why. If they continue, they come my brain. Say this woman will go back to this man. One day, she could tell me one word. And she don't say, I don't know women. I don't know women when I did Nigeria, when I did my village, no people Benin. When I did my village, now I know women. No people Benin, don't talk of European. Now I know about women where I grow with women. As you tell me that word, I can't digest her in a way. I can't say this man, this woman, if they miss this man, I can't spark. He not talking direct, but get where they put on. I can't call this our sister. But I say, want this woman. I better say this woman will go back. I better say will go back. I better say she will go back. One and where. Then he can't go tell that one. So don't be saying you are telling me. Now maybe na host that I don't understand what he talk. I said no, I don't be small Pikin. Guess what? Guess what? Person when they don't give us so. Person when they don't give us finish. When they don't give her house. She can't come out for that city. Go back again to this man. Upon all this stress. Put a plan. Put a plan. All those put a plan. If you live in France, you know what is put a plan. All those put a plan. All called poto. Bola syndrome. Ah, come on. That is Bola syndrome. Bola syndrome for this Europe. Bola syndrome. This woman can't go back to this man. Why the man don't buy her now? He not buy her. He not gonna consign me because the man an abuser. A military man is an abuser. What do you do? I call the sick. I'm not telling a lie. You go on tell say they sick. No, it's also going to do me. Now that woman break my heart. Now even know, I will tell her for yourself. That woman break my heart. When I hear the woman, it go back. And so I be like person where they use the class. They tear here, it too. Say Jesus, just like that. That's where France, when they give us, maybe they stay with the children. He can't go back. But after they say this woman will go back. After say this woman will go back to this man. Because I had the feeling for spirit. My spirit, he never wanted to deceive me. Now so the woman take go back to this man. But today that will not hear from because why? I block her for everywhere. So they do after they made this kind of mistake now that room I don't want to give them again. I don't want to give them that room anymore. See, upon this will happen now. They say woman still coming for phone. Oh, Brother Asti. Oh, you tell me I know yeah. You tell me I know yeah. This man want kill me. I want kill me. Brother Asti. You don't care. Brother Asti, put that for video. Put that for video, Brother Asti. Put that for video now. Put that for video. Brother Asti, see my face. Oh, but I see my face. I can't see mark for everywhere. Oh, but I see my face. Because you want to show me something where I want to, because they know say I did very pity. I get pity mind. So me of okay. Me was supposed to invest now. Me of course they beg. So okay, don't do. Then me of course they find solution now. And that room, me no want give this set of people. I don't give that room again. Me no call the pity. So okay, don't do. They are called the wrong task getter now. They find team when they that country. More do one or two things. Maybe we take rescue the person. You know, I can go back. But what I do, I will block everywhere. He can't give me breakfast. If you see me, I can't be sick. You know? Because my own are those children, those twins. Help my own. And that was when different. She tried. She put everything on her chest too. You know? But fortunately, you might come serve me breakfast too. I can't go land for hospital. From woman will not be my wife. Will not be my wife. Will not concern me. Whatever I will say for face. Can't go land for hospital. I don't know. I don't want to tell now. Now our carcass now they know. say this really weigh this man down. Upon those stress can be wasted energy. Because why? Nigerians, they don't value anything will be free. That's just the plain truth. Okay? They don't value anything will be true, anything will be free. They don't value them. But that will not make us to be telling people to give us money. No. We will never do that. For we to do that, we will limit a lot of things. You understand? We will limit a lot of things. So people suggest that, okay, maybe because they are not paying. No, we don't need it. That's not why we are here. We have to limit a lot of things better for us. You understand? He can't go back to the same man. But I know by now that woman not did that house again. I know on my own say that woman not did that house again. He not did that house again. I know. You know if he call me, I block her for everywhere. I block her for everywhere. I been the one for Italy we want to talk about. The one for Italy. When they marry Ghana man. I been at that one. When Ghana man will beat, he will draw for grant. Will draw for grant. Will try to rescue the woman. At the end, the woman still go back. He go back. When he go back, the man can't use her. As the man use her finish now, and that one we will send that one money. We send that one money. We send that one money. At the end of the day, it don't work now. Now you go to patch with somebody from another city. You go to patch with our children with somebody. Okay, what is the essence of going back? What's the essence of going back? Going back. Okay, wait. I'll show you something. The reason of going back now, I'll show you so. Going back, how it is very difficult. Why is it dangerous? I'm not showing now. Wait. I'm not showing you something. This politician now they do not be weird. We don't get problem. So that make in case you don't see us for social media, you know say that time I go work. As I come house, I want sleep to the fullness. If I free, that one I do, that one 100% I will come. Like not that I free now and they go back to work now because I sleep, wake up, now I come. Okay, like tomorrow I free. And all those kind of time where they use them. But say I go work 12, 13 hours. I'll come back, come enter social media. That one we don't limit her for my own head. You understand? So may I not come buy small Pikin. With all this heart attack, what these people they give me. You understand? With all this heart attack, what did they give me? Today we don't see another woman. Is it go this thing now? Opposite would they help her for this side? The kind of issue now go another platform today. Go to discuss the same issue. This one will come with negative idea. This one will come with negative idea. I was like, what's going on, man? You understand? What's going on? See, more listen.
The children will not carry. How far? Any different? You know, say, na me fuck up. You will be say they beat me. When now you first go tell government, no me open my mouth talk. All this way they popo me, they beat me, even with pregnancy. Even when I give birth to my twins with C-section, my twins when they reach 2 weeks, complete 2 weeks, I just come back as. Plus, you see me say I born twins, you leave me go, say they go work. I say, oh, if I talk, you go say I be enemy of progress. I don't want me to feed your family. If you talk that one, the thing they drink for my head, I mean, I don't want to make I become person go. But I don't want to be the reason why your family no go eat.
Listen.
Because I know where they come from. I say, okay, go now, go manage. You know, tell me, say, now night work, you go, but you go sleep. Say, go come back.
I don't know how it's so.
You go work, you no come back, you sleep. I call your friend. Are you waiting? You say, how far? Where they say, never see you. Then come back. You go, because of that, I call your friend. Sonto Chukun, because I call him. I come back house. You started to beat me. With me will be say blood still they come up from my body. If no be say I strong, I don't report you. I don't report you to the police, but not be every woman go take her. I just feel my mouth. I enjoy my pain. I don't die for your hand. I will die again. I no fit die now. Now you use your mat, your yeye mat, first go dey tell Frau Bud nonsense. Let me go okay, since you don't start dey tell Frau Bud, me wey be say na me dey feel pain. I never open my mouth talk. That's okay, my open my talk now. I talk, oh, you can't start to cry, come meet me. Say whether I won't put you for trouble.
Listen.
That's the truth I talk.
Listen.
I won't put you for trouble. Say whether I don't want me to do your security job. I look here, I say,
security.
I will put the father of my children for trouble.
Listen.
That means I don't love my children.
Okay.
I still go.
Okay, wait.
Back. Go meet Frau Bud. Go live for Frau Bud. Say na lie you. Say na symptom of pregnancy. Let me
okay. Oh, hear that? How many of you understand what happened here now? I don't understand. How many of you understand what happened for there? I just want to know how many of you understand what happened there? The man, now first come out, upon the beat this woman, now first come out, go to report this woman. Now this woman come out again, go open mouth, say this man they beat me, what kill me, oh, and in your bone, blood they come out, oh. He say, he got us now. We now come. Now it doesn't we, not be all of us anyway. The guy come calm down now, got and say, no, I did this security job. It's not good for me. But I'm not going to get busted for the system. Okay, I beg. Why you go tell me that kind of thing? Now she go back. Go tell the woman say, a social woman, oh, go tell the woman say, now symptom of pregnancy. Well, listen.
I all those like say no, nothing like that.
Okay.
You know, just they beat me. They beat both your children. They abuse them and keep you quiet. Okay. Now I no do you, but rather than you they still they go outside, they go they tell people waiting and no do, waiting and no be.
Okay. Because they will not too much get time. We want to get time because I have to go to work. Do you know that after all this sin again, go by, go tell they say the man they beat me. Now if I talk this, they say they beat you, right? Okay? Now, make I play her second video after this one. Make una see what happened last.
I don't even know what I'm saying.
No, not be this one. Get out. Where the part one? Part one, where you?
Mr. Man.
Okay, I'm going to join.
Don't Mr. Hear what? Where this one?
Sense. You say the graduate is supposed to get sense. Post your evidence now. Now make me I do my own. I go to me post am.
How much she talk about herself? What happened now?
I want me post those things wey dey with you. Post it. Post all those things wey dey with you. Post am. Wetin be the evidence?
Go straight to the point.
Say neighbors dey complain say children dey cry. Children dey too dey cry. They get evidence say I dey beat my children. The evidence wey you get abi which evidence is Germany?
She no want go straight to the point. Go straight to the point. May I help am small? As we speak right now, those children they are gone. Those children they are gone. They don't give the man. They don't give the woman. Those children they are gone. Those children now belongs to government. Another person, another parents, when you're there, the list. One away, may I show na list here. You will know that's what to be list. Another parent, when you're there, the list, when they find children. Okay, they don't check and say, okay, Mr. Foss. Okay, he need 2 boys and 1 girl. Or you need only 1 boy. No, we don't give that one because that one don't need that one. Okay, we'll go down. Frau Anna needs a boy, also age like this. Okay, that one will give that one to her. Frau Uwanome, Frau Uwanome, for that's what I want to a Dutch name. Make una ask me whether Frau Uwanome, whether Uwanome a Dutch name, Uwanome when I mention so na Dutch name. Not be Dutch name. I know that's not what the apple. Then this woman now, she lost those children all to the government. Queen Esther, they laugh me. He said if you build Frau Uwanome, then they give her children to Frau Uwanome. All her children they give her to Frau Uwanome. Then they give this one to you know to be Uwanome. Uwanome for where I for come, man. It mean home way good. That it mean. Maybe that thing made the thing enter my mouth. Okay? It mean home way good. So this woman home not good. If he talk today, he will say don't talk tomorrow. That kind of home not be good home. Okay? So now they can't give those children to Miss Frau Uwanome. Because why? Uwanome, naturally they stay. You understand? Uwanome na home way good. Now make those children don't go for Uwanome house. You understand? Make una hear for this woman.
You get that with you get. No, not get it. Say children fight, toddlers fight. They get pictures for their face.
That
reason I mean. And because of say me, I get injury for my body. Now you go right. How you get that use money to say I get you injury for my body? They not be just here, different places. Even where they say I know they expose. How they manage me? Maybe you go tell them. They write up.
Go reach her private part, everything. Government know everything. Accident when she gets many years ago for Nigeria before you enter Germany. Government know where she will get injuries for body. The man go twist everything last. Where they talk to this body, say maybe we don't know what they talk. You understand? Now the children are gone. Why? She don't go lie against herself in the first place. For that first video we'll play. We'll play this tomorrow. Because we're not to waste time. We're not to waste time today. See what she talk about herself.
The children will not carry. How far?
Understand?
Any different?
Not be this one. One play one for now where she talk say.
The children will not carry. How far?
Go and listen to this one, this part.
Any different? You know say na me fuck up.
Okay.
You will be say they beat me.
If you watch this woman video, she did very beautiful before they collect her children. She did clean for her TikTok page. You see the way it be now, If they find basin, I mean for no basin that time, until they carry water for village that time, basin. And basically they call her now, that basin. When they mention Gary that time for village, when they mention Gary. What did they mention Gary that time now for market? Not basically they call her basin now for market. No now. Okay, in case you want fresh water now, or you want mention Gary, you don't need that basin again. You don't need that. This woman here, and here, a big part basin. A big part basin. One of you give her, one of you pour Gary for inside. For his side. So you don't need anything again. Why? Thickness. See, this person should come out now and do all these things. These are not the solutions. You understand? These are not the solutions. These are just wasting of time. Talking to yourself on social media. Nobody is interested. People are insulting you. Yes, Uzogo. Yes. People are insulting you on social media. You're not a good mother. Why? You go lie against yourself because of Bola. Because of Bola syndrome. Then you go lie against yourself. You use your children. They buy Bola. Yes. Where the Bola now? Where the Bola now? The Bola is gone. The Bola is gone. Where the Bola right now? The Bola is gone. Let me tell you something what you don't know. No be everybody when you talk about documents or life in Germany know what they talk. I tell them every time. People you only go there, just go they read blah blah blah, translate and nonsense, and they forget to translate they talk lie. How can I call they give you now? Let me tell you something. Why they not give that man these children so? They know say the man still they useless. Despite say the man fuck you up, they still know say the man they useless. According to German law, government know you carry your children just like that. Okay? If you know, you know. If you don't know, you don't know. Then they will see channel those children to the parents, to the other parent, which is the father. Now when the father said the father think they useless, now that they collect those children final. Because this man they useless. Now he make them not give out to those children. Make una listen.
When now you first go tell government to no me open my mouth talk. All this way they open me, they beat me, even with pregnancy. Even when I give birth to my twins with C-section, my twins whenever reach 2 weeks, complete 2 weeks, I just come back as. Plus, if you see me say I born twins, you leave me go say they go work. I say to. You go say I'm the enemy of progress. I don't want me to feed your family. If you talk that one, the thing they do for my head, I mean, I don't want to become person go. I don't want to be the reason why your family don't go eat. Because I know where they come from. I say, okay, go now, go manage. You know, tell me say na night work you go, or you go sleep.
Oh, listen.
You come back. You go work, you don't come back, you sleep. I call your friend. I'll be waiting. You say you have far, where they say never see you. Then come back. You go because of that. I call your friend. Sonto Chukwu. Because I call him. I come back house. We started they beat me. They waiting me when we see blood still come off my body. If you think I strong, I don't report to you. I don't report to give police, but not be every woman go take her. I just see my mouth. I enjoy my pain.
Good wife.
I don't die for your hand. I will die again.
Good wife.
I don't feel die now. Now you use your mat, your mat. First go they tell for good nonsense. Let me go okay. Since you don't start the tell for good, me will be say now me they feel pain. I never open my mouth talk. That's okay. My open my talk Hannah. I talk or you want you can't start the cry. Come meet me. So that I want put you for trouble. I said, but now truth I talk. So I want put you for trouble. Say, well, I don't want me to do your security job. I look and say, I will put the father of my children for trouble. That means I don't love my children.
Okay. May I say, hand here. Security get great for Germany. Okay? Security get great for Germany. All security don't be the same. Okay? So before that guy come to beg concerning this issue, so okay? So the kind of security where the guy they do that now also very everyone. Where they say they always they do this checking of a thing, that they check us every 6 months. Okay? To make sure say we are free from crime, all this abuse, everything, okay? That made the guy call a beggar. Okay? So all security don't be the same. So maybe that made the guy call a fear because why? If that thing enter a book, you don't feel that security work again. You understand? So that make call a beg this woman. But make una see I take fuck the woman up.
I still go back, go meet Frau Boot. Go lie for Frau Boot, say na lie you, say na symptom of pregnancy. Then make I lie all those lies. Say no, nothing like that.
Okay.
You know just they beat me. Okay. They beat both your children. They abuse them. I keep it quiet. Now I know do you, but rather than you still they go outside, they go they tell people waiting and no be. Now they carry the twins.
Let me tell you people, this woman they use her last strength till they talk. Like they say for video. I just have to be honest. She they use Sister Joy, can you mute your side, please? She they use her last strength. Now she they talk. Her last strength. As she they able to talk, she be like person 1-4. She sit down. She sit down they talk, but she be like person 1-4. Do you know what it is to remove, even for dog safe? If you want to remove dog Pikin for well dog day, you know how they be. Children know how they be. Not gonna say human being. You all remove the children away from her. Me, I come today come tell and say 85% of these women now they be the problem themselves. Now they cause this problem to themselves. So that make all this thing they happen to them. Me I dey tell now because why? I don't do a lot of research. Now that be the problem. Now only 15% now be innocent. Only 15. Let's be innocent. 85% of them, they are the problem of their self. I know what I'm saying. She said she go back again. She went back again. They go and say, now pregnancy syndrome. Symptom, I cause her. So, make I can't lie. You think you are talking to your father? You are talking to government. Whatever you say will be used against you in court of law. Never hear that before. That's not the app for Nigeria. That talk not the app for Nigeria. Nigeria only the talk am, but not the put for system. But for Igbo land here, before you talk am, you don't end for jail. I go make them say, you know they beat me now because I get belle, now I make am. I make a prove out to now how these women, how did they fuck themselves up just because of Bola. The Bola don't leave am. You don't leave am. I don't go to tell people that say, you can imagine as a mother, you claim to be a mother. Let me talk to this woman direct. You claim to be a mother. Your children will plan tomorrow. Well, don't worry, we'll get that tomorrow. We'll not go out tomorrow. Your children come out on your wash, under your nose. You say that because they give the rest attention. Your children come out, they pass the main door to your apartment, carry this thing scooter, they drive, they go school by themselves, and they are very small. Think about it. Sapa, can you mute yourself, please? Can you mute, please? Think about this. Your children come out for your apartment, carry their scooter, and they are very small. Go school by themselves, go kindergarten by themselves, even school, go kindergarten by themselves. For Germany here. Madam, something is wrong somewhere. Something is wrong somewhere, madam. I have to be honest to you. It's not clear. So I say make I tell now why we decide all these things today. So we want to limit a lot of things. Very, very important. These people, a lot of these people, a lot of them, they are the problem to themselves. They are the problem. Okay, now, look at that woman today now. When she call herself Faith. Because she don't need her privacy. We keep her privacy for nothing. She go on that platform. Go to talk. We keep her for here. We had her privacy here. She go on that platform today. Go to talk for there. About her family life. For there. Today. But for here, we they keep these people so that in case you see them tomorrow for road, because why I know all these things, maybe because I'm a security man, I know how to keep people privacy. We never want to carry this woman enter here, come talk to her now. She will tell me something finish. I will digest her. My brain will be hot. I can't tell now for here. The same woman come out today, go another platform, go to show herself, go to talk for them, and look at the way they were bashing her. You understand? It's not here when we say would they use milk and honey. Even good better they bash them, because if they don't bash them, if they not will learn. They don't like the soft landing. What would they give them for here? They don't like it. Because anything will be free, anything will be when they pamper people. When people know they learn the hard way. People know they like her. I've been in your case for long now. Day and night, every time. What's your problem? As you all here say, see what the lawyer decide. Lawyer decide, say, if they remove Zogeresh from the father of your children, let me tell you something. People are so dull. I live here in Germany. I not be resident permit holder for this country. If they remove Zogeresh for the father of your children, it don't mean say it's not the father of those children. No, that's why Zogeresh It's different from father shout. Father shout means he's the father of these children. Zogeresh is this. Why lawyers, they insist to remove those rights away from these children, from these men, because these men, they are toxic. Let me tell you something. In case you want to do something for that children's life, then you will need this man again. You see, you will not need this man again. Then this man are going to use that thing against you. So like, you know, will sign that signature because now the quarrel. Then make all these lawyers, they will say, no, we have to first remove the rights. So that means you get 100% of those children. Because the man will they use that against you later. If you need that, now say, they say, me, you can't do this one, oh, for your children, oh. You will say, no, you know, they come. They'll say, no, you know, they come. They know they come. So you don't mean say it's not the rightful owner, the father of those children. No. It's the right of those children. So you can have the 100%. In case you want to do anything for those children, you don't need him to come and be signing for you. That is all the difference. Common sense not common. My brain is hurting me. Common sense not common for this Germany here. What do you want to evaluate again for other platform? You wait there here with me. You wait there with me. What do you want in other platform again? What do they want to tell you for other platform? Those people when you carry the matter go meet today, you will feel call it for night. You will feel call it for night. You will fit. You will feel called the way they do with their wife. You will feel called the way they do with their children. You will fit. You will feel called in the midnight. You will feel called the way you dey lonely, when you dey cry.
Hi, do you still have the car? Bro.
This is Nigeria. That's what Nigeria matter be. You understand? So these people, I want to filter them out.
How do you still have the car?
I want to block a lot of people out of this place. You understand? I have the videos here. I have the videos. I was like, go and watch this woman. Go and see. She was talking like generator. So, this one want to even stay for husband house. Husband house not for everybody. It's not for everybody. If it fit you, you stay. If it fit you, you stay. If it don't fit you, you walk out. Some of them are problem to yourself. See this one, Nana. The class actually night. It could be like Pachoko. Could be like Pachoko. Could be like premature Pikin. A woman when they beautiful. God bless you, God's strength. But when they clean, if you see, I'll show you this woman tomorrow. Once with the gash, fine. Go see Anna Ibina. When they collect actually they come out. When they tell them for this platform, they say we they play. Where the bola, Nana? Where the bola? Any man when he catch you now, any man when you go free, when you go the friend now, you know so you not get children. You know they do you for there again. They do you for math. Will they put Ebola for your mouth? I say, what they do you? Because you don't understand life. You know, so you don't get choice again. You don't get choice. After children not there with you again, maybe you know if you born again now. Maybe you know if you born again. So any man will call your life now, I know so you don't get children. God be a collector. You say this one I useless woman. And you don't get man. Okay, that will not be problem. I know so you get children. What's the need? Not be only on that. More you're doing for math, Jonah. Do for math, Jonah. You will know that Kaki not be like that. That's what this woman has put herself. She put herself. Instead of you understand what it be life. I'm not married. It don't happen like that. Why you go back to government? Why you go back to government? Go to say you lie against yourself. Because why? As your colleague talk to you now, don't go put me problem. Got my security job. Your brain and your go say this one. Now your brain your enter. Oh, it's a pity. Your brain you're gonna take on. You miss your children. You miss the baller. At the same time, market don't end like that. Anyway, because of time, make we talk for 3 minutes. Make I go back to my work. We'll see us tomorrow, because tomorrow I day free. Una do well. Exceptional B, I see you, my brother. I see you. Stop part or mute your side.
Good evening, long time. Now do well. When I put this program for this evening, yeah, yes, I be happy. Sasa they happy oh.
Papa, welcome, oh. Welcome.
Na do well, na do. I know na do well. Ah, for more than 1 week now. I know just this is just do me one kind. Na do well.
Papa, wait. I want to pass something before you, because I don't send message for comment section. Epa no answer me. Epa, now you send me message this afternoon. Now you may not be say fraudster people come dey use the part this thing they send me message. No bad sister Pat. Na important question. Epa, Domo, good afternoon, sir. Epa, you dey hear me?
Good afternoon. Sorry, I was talking to my wife. Sorry, no verse.
Epa, I wan confirm o. Na you chat me this afternoon.
I better go.
Epa, na you.
Na my brother.
No. Epa, the fear na not my fault because no come scam me. I say I must confirm. You say you go deny say not be you.
Na my brother.
Na you. Okay, since you don say na you, okay, I hear. Epa, the fear o.
My brother. What do Mr. Harvey? Yeah, the year you start part.
Okay, I come in the right time. Yes, I get the point small. You understand for today's topic. You understand?
3 minutes. 3 minutes. Don't forget 3 minutes.
I know what to take. And I just want make you understand what I was saying. May you not feel reluctant. You know, say I don't wear okurasioma. Now so we women, now so we be. You understand? Okurasioma. Now be need to talk like that. So if you want do business with woman, you need to tie your job properly. If not, they go carry you go another dimension. And so we be. Woman wey so we don't say they go deny their papa, deny their family, follow man. Now so them be. And two, what me I want tell you about? You see, make I tell you one thing. Many women when they call you, they are not ready. They don't know what they want. They have a fine person wey be say they want to console themselves. Who go they follow the chat, make them they keep their depression. Many are depressed. They don't want really come out. They are not ready. They never ready to say, I don't finally make my decision. You understand? Because I just talk because I they come to the what to make me talk. Many they call you to just use it to see person. You know, many cannot live without they not hear my voice. They call you to just to take kill their depression. That courage that their man not give them. That they get out for your hand. Not say they're really ready to take free themselves for that bondage when they put themselves. Many because of tatata. Many because they never paddle that boat by themselves once. They are afraid to paddle that boat by themselves. You understand?
Yes.
Two. That one aside. Make I tell you, that's why I just say conclude with now what because to me I don't even finish my minutes. May I tell you, as a woman, brother, also I be woman, I don't do am. If you never tire woman, now woman they talk. Now woman they foul you want to God who made me. Every woman can testify. If relationship or marriage never tire woman, now woman they report. Now woman they complain. Now woman they say make I talk to this one, make I talk to this one, make I talk to this one. But that solution go come to take settle the issue. Once you tire woman to God do for this life. Oh Jesus! Once you tire woman, even if I talk say you would talk that man go silent, bang, bang, bang. You not go make one comment. Even if you would at say how your husband, you know, you go tell you say day. What else don't come out? Even if your family they talk, you not go even tell they say na me wrong, na me right. He beat me, he slapped me. You not go tell one single one because I be woman. Now so we women be. You will not say, not even advise that woman again, not even talk to her, don't already take a decision, don't tire her, you know what again. You don't even know what that is when they're born upon this earth. Even that kind of person don't ever do things together, they don't jump before. Now when they never tire woman, that woman will call one person, they discuss about one man for 1 hour. Because if they find what you go tell her, when you go make her stay, because now you make her stay. Well, right deep down, it never tire her. Now the fact I tell you so. Now we me now you be na man, me na woman. Now so we dey. If relationship tire woman like this, bam. There is not even Jesus Christ come this earth, come back, and not go green, not go back. So all those when they call you, because they disturb your spirit, because they disturb your enjoyment with our mama. So they never tire them. Make them go fix themselves. If they like, make them go kill themselves. They're not the 10 man. That one now when they collect the children, when they play record, I jam her for TikTok. Me say I just screw, I just look at, say, see you foolish, Pikin you lose, prick you lose. Now you call the cry for TikTok. Oh, it's no solution. There's no solution because you not use your brain, you not use your head. So it's not a lesson to everybody. So if I not too stress yourself, oh, woman matter, now so we be, oh, now so we be. No let our matter give you headache at all. No let our matter enjoy yourself. I bet I don't want to do it.
Thank you very much, Papa. God bless you. Thank you very much.
Fucking well, oh. Epa, God go bless you for the good work wey they do for us. No stop, oh, no stop. God go bless you. Like that woman wey come that day now unexpectedly, which is a better thing she want talk. Later when she come spoil our mind that night. Did you just come tire me?
That one for France.
And those kind of people who say, my husband love the children. My husband they try. Your husband they try. Your husband will be say carry you go court. Just imagine all those kind of people. That they said, Duma, I don't know whether she even drink. Where Mommy Rose say, you they drink. When she come the beg, she almost want vomit for her head that day. You can imagine those kind of people. I don't really understand. Not until they buy them. When they don't buy, they finish. They don't finish. I don't really understand. As even fowl, if they want, if Papa you want even carry fowl Pikin, fowl go open yash, use the feather take cover protecting children. May they don't come carry Pikin.
Yes.
You don't leave children, for 5 children, you don't leave away government carry. When you know so you both, they don't they born Pikin. Opportunities to carry our black children. You know how many black children when we say I go garden like this, I go see our black children, or you both go hold up for hand, go say na Pikin. You think I go they look and say, this Pikin as you don't find restore. So now what? I don't really understand though. What do they even they do then? And that our sister thought say maybe they use a body kit to rub their kpekus. Me, I don't really understand though. I don't really understand. The part you they try, you they try. But then miss you ever since now, I go enter, I'll say pan never come. What did happen? I go enter, pan never come. If they miss you since,
I don't say. We all they put this together. Even though I don't see me, it don't me say we're not there with the team, oh.
But the part they miss you now.
No day where I know the day with the team outside the media. We they do a lot of things. It was an
Me, I look, I say, if I'm not the line, if I'm not the line, I go enter again, I go see enter different time. I say, if I'm not the line, God go bless you, Pa. God go bless you for us.
Thank you. God bless you. Thank you. Glow and shine. I see you. Good afternoon.
Osti, good evening, sir. Na me see you pass.
Sorry.
Osti, na me see you pass. So, Osti, may God not let you walk in vain. Oh. You will never walk in vain in Jesus' name.
Amen. Thank you.
You will never walk in vain. Now, my ladies, una good evening. Una do. Osti, the voltage when you take come out for this matter, Osti, anytime when you won't come out for this matter again, I bet they let the voltage they high more. And that's not the first time with this one. You never high reach. You know how I reach the way I want them. You go let the voltage high. You go high. The way you do they fight for them. When the thing they talk, the way you do they talk, and when people say the thing it dies, they knock ring bell for all those men heads. Post you go carry your bell for long because of the line where many of them don't match. Post I don't feel like to you. Some days I know you're today happy. They wait the day where we say you go talk all this kind of thing, this kind of matter, and I'm very impressed. I'm very happy. Not be say they'll go say who never match line. Yes, who never match line, but all this one say that they continue to the match line. They go. Oh, say as you talk, say you know one. They come out. You want to come out anytime for your convenience time when you need them. Anytime when you want to come out, you go come out for that. Oh, say now me be the number one person. As I talk to you, I raise my right hand up. I'm 100% in. I'm in full support. Also, you get time to we're gonna call with this. So now you get time to hold mama where you get time to on all the children that your bed. I don't know how to be. You know pack each other, put both the children, all of cover blanket for there. If now phone I want the person or person that to come line, call the fight for some of these women will not know their self. Also, these women they no go ever change. Like waiting and again, mommy part, may God bless you. The word when you talking, I like you get one word when you talking, you say we women, that is us, mommy part. This word when you talk so well, now all women, now that they do, not be say some, now all. If matter over we know they come out, and nobody they advise us to come out. Now when they talk say we they come out, even though they call they talk say me you manager now, and don't dey for inside though, and not be to don't know now. The woman now, that person they advise her, you go they would cause that person self. Now woman when people say you never ready to come out for that, man and now in they look for advice. Now in they look for what because why in there for that situation the first person will be say he won't calm her down. If they find switch talk, who want perere her, they talk and just say no madam. This way they find show that way you won't lay on. Now that one neither they find immediately after they don't see that he finish, they will go back. Now they also many of them they call these men. Many of them they tell these men say see because say we just get a small quarrel, you not call again, you not they care about the children again. Also because where any of us not there. Also you go come outside, you go sit down for that chair where you sit down put for many hours. You go to do this thing. Also you go in many things when you start this thing more than how many years now when you start this thing. If now they say that they pay you, if you don't see money, when be say if you don't do for your account. I not say money not be everything, but people when people they carry matter go they meet them for that place, they not go fit call them. Cause they talk say maybe in the midnight, the way they call you, your wife self, your beloved wife, she know the verse, nothing. And again, what our mommy part talk and our truth when we say women, when they don't depress you, they don't want to listen to women talk again, voice again, now only man. Also now they're going to find you make they call in the middle of the night because say you give that room, you can come at any time. They don't go use their sense, say this man a married man. We get with your woman the beer. You go man will be say time go to the enjoy with your wife. You go do finish, you go they call her, the man now go call okay. Your wife go say excuse her, you go just make it listing. At the end, they come be say I go away. Now you go away, so now go happen to now. Who people picking that they carry? Now speaking, now us children. Now us wife now they cry. May God not let them cry. May God not let the woman cry. Now they cry. Now shame they on head, on body. Una not they shame. Men when they should say that people need a beat. Now they like. Women when don't know their self. Una go come. Do this.
You see that saying in the afternoon. You see him.
I see him. I see him. She's a very shameless woman.
Okay.
You go that place, you don't see the way they talk to her. You don't see the way they talk to her anyhow. Okay. When based on for your side, now they're going to get power. Then they're going to get that soft landing. That the way that man speak the English. That's soft landing. Now your place they're going to get for another platform. Nobody they give them that chance at all. Also, I beg. This thing when you say you want to so, also they come out at any given time when you like. Anytime when you like, they come out. Because all these women, the way men, they beat them up and down for that their platform, and I fit them. Having a way moon. People they beat no of they run. No, so they run, they go, they meet to an abuser. Yeah, foul on the leg. I beg make another person talk.
Thank you very much, my sister.
Thank you. No problem, sir.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon, everybody. Though. Now I know why you did that yesterday. See how dogu see. According to mommy Glow and Shai, say your good no go kill you. Your good no go buy you. I'm coming like that. Go. No, not now. Not now. Now you be there since I'm coming. Host though. Your good there. You no go buy you. I say no be everybody where they carry matter they call you. No be all of that their head still correct. You see that woman where climb up that day. You see the way they behave. That one now where don't depressed. No be everybody head correct. And not be everybody where they call you now, not be all of them believe in you. Because person wey believe in you, you know go